Hi beauties, popping in today to share the new Colourpop x Hello Kitty makeup collection. This holiday makeup 2020 is so fun and festive. The palette from the Hello Kitty and Friends collection is called the Slay All Day palette, and this 9 shadow palette actually features 3 different color stories. So it's so much fun to play with, and the shades are so unique. I literally could not believe how gorgeously they all blended together. So here is how the Colourpop x Hello Kitty palette swatched on my arm. So these are some Colourpop x Hello Kitty swatches, and you can stick with one color story or you can blend them together and create a totally unique look. There's just so much fun. So you could do an all lavender look or all rose look, or blend them together, and it just makes the most beautiful effect. You'll see later in the video I did that. So also in the Hello Kitty collection from Colourpop is the Snow Cute Glitter Gel Mini Kit and the Big Surprise Luxe Gloss Kit. So you're going to get 3 Luxe glosses in that kit. And then also super exciting, they came out with 2 new blushes, and these are embossed with the Hello Kitty face. It is so adorable. So this here is the Bundled Up Pressed Powder Blush, and it just gives a gorgeous natural flush to your cheeks. And then this is the At Frostbite Pressed Powder Blush, and these both retail for $12. Don't forget you can use my promo code, my Colourpop promo code 5Allegra to save on your Colourpop order. But all of the packaging is so gorgeous, but I just love how this blush packaging in particular has the kind of snow, has reflex in it, and it's kind of holographic, so I could not get over that. So here is the mini gel kit. So this is the Glitter Oddie gels. This would make such a great holiday makeup gift for yourself or a loved one. They're so glittery, shiny. I did use this one later on in the video, so you'll see they just apply to your eyes like a dream. All of the colors are super pigmented. This opal one is just so gorgeous. You could definitely put these not only on your eyes but on your face, on your body, and it's just so gorgeous. It also has kind of that holographic effect, so it would look great on for New Year's Eve makeup as well. And then here are the Luxe Lip Glosses, and they do have the snowflakes on them, so it's super festive, holiday vibes, and just would make a great holiday makeup look. They are very natural. They're a new formula. They're super conditioning. They feel incredible on your lips, and they have a bit of shimmer to them, so that just makes your lips look all the more juicy. So keep watching if you'd like to see my Colourpop x Hello Kitty makeup tutorial. This would definitely make a great holiday makeup tutorial 2020, or even a New Year's Eve makeup tutorial. So just keep watching if you'd like to see how I used these fun new makeup goodies from Colourpop today. So I started with my eyes already primed with my concealer, and now I'm taking my Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in the shade Charmer. So it's just a deep purple cream eyeliner, and I'm just using that to sketch out a winged liner for myself. I am going to blend this out later, so if you're doing this look, you don't have to make it perfect. It's basically going to be a base for our eyeshadow, and you definitely want to apply it to the lower portion of your lashes on just the outer portion, because that's going to make your eyes look really big. So here is the Hello Kitty and Friends Slay All Day palette, and so I'm going to dip into Snowwear, and using a pointer brush, a pencil type of brush, I'm now just going over that eyeliner and smudging it out on the top and the bottom. Only apply it to the outer portion of your eyes and your lower lashes. That'll make your eyes look really big. So now I'm taking Burr Baby, and on a pencil brush again, I'm using it to blend out the line of the first shade, Snowwear, and then I went in with a shader brush and packed it on my lid, and then a fluffy brush to blend it up into my crease. So I'm just sweeping it inwards. This is the shade Burr Baby, and I'm just working that all over my crease area with a fluffy brush. This brush has dual-sided. One side is fluffy and one side is a shader. It's from Urban Decay. So it's such a great brush. Huda has a similar brush. And I did pack on some more Snow Wear onto the outer portion of my eye to bring it back. So then I'm going in with Cuddle Weather, and I'm using an eyebrow type of brush. So I'm using this to carve out the front portion of my eye, and I kind of massage it over where I feel the curve of my eye, where my eyeball is. And then I'm taking my Allegra Cherry Beauty Mist, and this is my Clean Beauty Makeup Setting Spray. So I'm going to use this and apply it to the shadow. It just makes your shadows pop and extra shimmery. So I just put that right on top of the shadow while it's on the brush, and then apply it to my eyes, and your shadows will be super shimmery all night long. So then I'm applying Winterful, a more pinker shade, on top of the lavender shade, and it just made such a gorgeous look. It just gave more dimension, and so that's what's really fun about this palette. You can combine color families or stick with one color family. So I'm gonna reach into Igloo Blues, and it's just a gorgeous pink shade. And with a fluffy brush, I'm just applying that to the front portion of my eye just to give it some more depth. And then taking a shader brush, I just smudged that under our first shadow that we laid down, Snow Wear, the dark shade. So I'm just using that pink shade to smudge out the purple, and it just made such a gorgeous effect. So I applied my lashes and this Wander Beauty mascara, and now I'm dipping into the blush from the collection. It's so gorgeous. And then of course I'm giving myself a final spray of my Allegra Cherry Beauty Mist. This is my makeup setting spray for glowing skin and longer lasting makeup too, and it makes your skin glow and your makeup will last all night long. Now I'm going to take the Luxe Lip Gloss from the collection, and I'm going to use the lighter pink shade, and I just apply that all over my lips. It feels so good, and this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give me a thumbs up if you do, and subscribe. Love you, beauties.